Hello, my friends. Welcome again to our beautiful library. Today, I chose a book for you since spring is almost here. The book that I chose is Let It Rain. Wow! I love the rain. Shh, and feel the water going down my face, my hair, my hands, getting wet, jumping on the puddles. That's so much fun. Okay, let the story begin. Let it rain. It's spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs
Rabbit.
and tulips, honey bees. Digging, tilling seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then came downpour. Shh! Rivers flood. Our flower garden turns to mud. You. Let it rain. Rainbows, green grass, soccer fun. Picnic, swinging in the sun.
Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens, meow, and little chicks, pew pew, pew pew.
Building, painting, way up high, our little house in the sky. But then, black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Ouch! Ouch! Let it rain! Riding, gliding, cupcake treat, yummy! Twirling, dancing, bebop, beat! But soon, steamy classroom, blazing heat, it's so hot, wearing sandals on our feet. Hooray! Hooray! Last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. I love to go swimming, do you?
Yay!
Summer is coming, let it shine. And the story is finished. Did you like the story of Let It Rain? Me too, I love the rain. Did you like the story? Okay, I want to hear it. Tell me what was your favorite part. Write it down, okay? Bye-bye. See you next time.